Hello YouTube. Today we have another case or sheath, whichever you would like to call it. Today for my Alox Swiss Army knife. I forget if this one's the Pioneer. I think this one's the Pioneer something or other. Blade, scissors, can opener, flathead screwdriver, bottle opener, and then we got that thingy, reamer deburring tool, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I've been making these sheaths for multiple kinds of carry. This one for scout style carry or neck carry. I'm still torn if I should be putting on 2 loops for scout style or just putting 1 up and down loop for sort of more regular style carry for this style of a case. But yeah, I think this is a classy way to carry your Swiss Army knife. We don't want those nice Alox scales getting all dinged up now, do we? So yeah, just another piece along the way in my leatherworking journey. Been liking using different colors of leather and putting them together. Well, YouTube, I may have another upload later today with a wet molded piece I'm doing. And as always, thanks for listening.